Hi everyone, I am Andani back with a new case study for you. In today's video, we are going to look at how to analyze a log file. Before that, let me tell you what is a log file. The log file is a file with the .log extension. This simply specifies that the text file containing log data. In fact, you can change the extension from .log to .text or vice versa. This file can be either semi-structured or unstructured. In today's video, we will be performing some operations like to load the log files and to search some pattern from the log file and to perform some operations on the obtained results from the log files. If you look at my screen, there are many log files. These are the log files generated when you execute a wrong pig script. Let me open one of the error file. This log file contains the details of the error. Here the error indicated is mismatch of input, which means we have given a wrong path or an improper path of the file. So it is showing an error called mismatch input. Okay. First we need to load the log file into pig environment in order to perform the operations over the log file. Here we will be writing pig scripts in a grunt mode. First we will be loading the log file into pig environment where we will be creating a relation called log. Here we have created a relation or a bag called log and we will be performing an operation called load. This is the path of the log file and we will be naming alias for it as a line, and here we won't be giving any schema for that because as the file is unstructured or a semi-structured, we won't be knowing schema. We will be just loading the file into pig environment. Default schema will be assigned for a log file. If you want to know what is the default schema assigned for this particular log file, here you can see it has been taken as a line by line and assigned a data type called byte array. Once the data is been loaded into pig environment, okay, let us check whether the data is loaded into pig environment or not, so that we will be dumping it. Here you can see the file has been successfully loaded into pig environment. Once the file has been loaded into pig environment, now we will search for a particular pattern from the log file. Here we will be searching a pattern like debug, trace, information, so and so. Okay, for that we will be creating another bag called levels. Okay, let me clear the screen. Here we will be creating another relation called levels. For each log, generate regx extract. Okay, what is this regx extract? It performs regular expression matching and extracts the matched group defined by the index parameter. Basically, regular expression takes three parameters. First one will be the string on which it has to perform the match. The second one will be the regular expression where we will be mentioning our pattern, what kind of pattern that we require from the particular log file. Here we will be obtaining either it can be trace, debug, info, warning, error or a fatal. And third parameter indicates index, the index of the matched group. Okay, here it has been extracted it scans the line by line and checks for whether the particular pattern matches or not. When the particular pattern is matched, then that particular group is related. Let us dump it. Here you can see it has scanned each line by line and obtained the particular value from that line. Trace, debug, some are blank, which indicates the null value has been returned from that particular line. Okay, let me correlate this example with the e-commerce business, where you can create an account in an e-commerce website, or whenever you create an account in an e-commerce website, there will be a log file created by your name or ID. So you may think, what is the use of it? Whenever you perform any search or if you like any item in that particular website, it will be recorded in this log file. Once the record has been done in a log file, they perform some analysis by using either regular expression or other techniques, finding all the keywords and grouping them will be done. Grouping on them will be done. Once the grouping on them will be done, they will find out your interest. Whether you are looking for shoes, watches, whatever it can be. Whenever you visit a website, it will be showing recommendation for you that these are the recommended items for you with a particular discount or whatever it can be, so that the item you are searching, one which you are searching for, it will be easily visible for you. These can be seen in Flipkart. You can see recommendation, shoes, watches, shirts, any item. You can see it in Amazon, Myntra, all e-commerce website. Okay, now we have obtained a particular pattern from these log files. Let us remove these blank ones. In order to remove that blank one, we will be creating another bag or a relation called filter the levels. We will be filtering the levels. This log levels is not null. If it is not null, then it will be returned. If it is null, it won't be returned. Once we have removed this null value from this log, let me show this. Done. Here you can see there is no more null value in the output. All the null value will be removed. Once the null values have been removed, we will perform grouping operation over this result. Here we will be creating one more bag. Okay, let me find out where it is. Okay, here we will be creating a bag called group levels, and we will be filtering it by log level. Once grouping has been done, now we need to perform a count operation, like which keyword has been occurred maximum number of times. It can be either debug, trace, information, warning, whatever it might be. So that for that we will be perform a count operation on it. Okay, for that we will be creating a relation called frequencies for each group level, generate a group as log level, and count filter levels dot log level as a count. Once the count operation has been done, let us dump it. is the output of group. Let us dump the count operation. Okay, let me dump frequencies. Here we obtain the count of the each keyword that we were looking for it. Okay, it is in not a particular order. Let me order it in a particularly for that. Okay, we will be ordering it in a descending order. For that we will be creating one more relation called result order frequencies by count. It will be in descending order. Let's dump it. Okay, here you can see guys, the maximum occurred keyword is trace, then comes debug, information, warning, error. Okay, these are the various operations that we can perform on any log files. If you have a log file, you can obtain a particular pattern from that log file, finding either keyword or a regular by giving a proper regular expression, finding time, date, whatever it can be. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.